So I've got the side skirts on my 2013 Fiat Abarth starting to separate. Apparently this is a common issue. It appears there was a shortage of epoxy in Italy when these were made because they used less epoxy than I could even conceive of for holding a body part to a car. But be that as it may, I'm going to try to fix that today. Now obviously, since the original attachment was epoxy, you'd think you'd start with that, but I'm seeing on the internet where a lot of people want to use the double-sided tape. Tape seems kind of sketchy, but nowadays they're hanging windows on skyscrapers with it, and the big advantage here for me is I've never done this before, and if I mess it up, this seems a lot easier to undo. There are two 8mm bolts holding the little plastic guards that I think are meant to keep junk from getting into the seam. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off to clean the area up real good. Now I've cleaned up the area with alcohol and rubbing, but I think I'm going to try for the first time doing three things wrong. The tape says remove the body panel completely, set up your tape on the body panel, and then mount it to the car. I don't want to pull the body panel completely off, and it seems like it's going to be a little easier to put the tape in the right place by putting it on the car first and then pressing the body panel to it. So I'm going to try that. And then I debated whether or not to clean off this old epoxy residue. I don't have a real good means of doing that without messing up the tape, so I'm going to try it halfway first, and if it fails because I left the epoxy on, we'll try a little harder next time. So I've fed the tape in place, I'll smooth that out, and now I think what's important with these tapes is to let it set under pressure. So I've got a ridiculous way to do that. I'm completely sure this is how body shops do it everywhere. So we'll start cranking on the hydraulics and we'll watch that gap hopefully shrink right up. And I've gone ahead and replaced the little trim piece to close up the gap. Looks good so far. I'm going to let it sit for about an hour before I take the pressure off. So there's the after result. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. We'll see if it holds up. I'll try to check back in the description after a couple of weeks to let you know whether it went okay or if it's a complete failure. We'll see. Thanks.